I literally have so much packing to do and loading and driving 7 to 8 hours, and yet it's already past 1 a.m. and my first alarm goes off at 8, and I know I'm not going to fall asleep for a few more hours, and I already want to kill myself. Why does my body do this? So I'm officially an hour and a half behind schedule. I still have to get food to eat on the trip there, as well as like a million energy drinks. Plus, I'm finally packed up and I have no gas. So now we have to go to the gas station, get everything prepped and ready. I'm just glad that I'm done packing. I definitely didn't get everything I wanted, but it's gonna be good enough for now because I'm fucking exhausted and I'm ready for a nap, and instead I got a 7-hour drive. I'll check back in once we hit the road. Well, I've got my snacks. I've got 2 buffalo tomatoes and then a cheese one. I've got Fritos honey barbecue, and then 3 Monsters, because I figured I'm gonna need all the caffeine I get since I didn't sleep. And then I already brought a bottle of water from home, so I'm good there. Now I just need to get gas at a different gas station so I can get my points. And then I guess we're gonna hit the road. So we'll be back. Finally got gas, finally ready to hit the road. I went to Come and Go to get my snacks because I get like the best deals on drinks and their tornadoes are amazing. And I get points towards free stuff when I buy stuff there. And I also really like going to Casey's when I get points from Hy-Vee on my fuel saver. So I just got 45 cents off a gallon. Then I got 13 gallons. So, I mean, I saved over $5. I don't really feel like doing the math, but totally worth it. But finally hit the road. Let's go. This is our first check-in. I've been on the road just over an hour now, and I still have 6 more hours. Well, minus 4 minutes, so 5 hours and 56 minutes. And I'm going crazy. I've already cycled through a bunch of 90s songs, and I just wasn't really vibing. So now I have like some like emo music going on to get in my feels and like just zone out. I've already taken 1 energy shot. This Monster is about half gone. I wish I liked coffee, but actually I'm kind of glad I don't, because, well, if it was cold coffee and then it got lukewarm, that would be super gross. But at the same time, if it was hot coffee and got lukewarm, that would be super gross. So with these Monsters, and I didn't get like the super like carbonated ones, I got more of like the juice ones. So in that way, if they get a little bit like not as cold, they're not the worst, I'll just chug the rest. But I'm about ready to switch from going west to south. About 18 miles is my exit, and I'm just going crazy. I've already tried having like a phone conversation, and that didn't last long. And texting and driving is frowned upon, and it's super windy out, so my car's being blown all over the place. It's not like a giant car. Semis have cut me off. It's super cloudy. I'm afraid it's gonna start pouring, and if it rained, fine. I got everything loaded up at least, and it wasn't crazy hot today like it was yesterday, where it was just so stupid humid that like if I had to pack up and load up in that heat yesterday, I probably would have cried and wanted to shoot myself. But it wasn't that bad today. It was kind of like almost chilly, but not. Like if I would have put a sweatshirt on and kept moving stuff, I probably would have sweat. So I'm wearing just like Victoria's Secret pink capris and like yoga pant capris and a t-shirt, and I'm like decent. I've been toggling the AC on high and low during this drive. It's been really cloudy. It's kind of clearing up a little bit. I mean, the sun's peeking out a little. So I'm gonna blast some music so I don't completely fall asleep and go crazy. And we'll check in officially at my first break. Had to go to the bathroom after finishing that and having some water. I've consumed officially 352 milligrams of caffeine. My body, I think it said, is only supposed to have 320 to 350, so I'm technically 2 over at max. But I'm not done drinking caffeine, that's for sure. And I have to get back on the road, and I don't want to. I'm tired. I need to crack this next energy drink. I've got 5 hours and, wait, no, 4 hours and 45 minutes left, which is a long time. People are being weird between the highway and people messaging me, getting very anxious. This is awful. I guess let's, and I'm getting a little hot. I guess let's get back on the highway. Joy. So, I'm going through construction, and I'm just kind of in a mood right now. So let's talk about it. Why am I going? Why am I moving and temporarily upping my life and everything? Well, for one, I quit my job. I hated my job. I hated every aspect of it, besides the money. The benefits were good too. But I had no real, like, desire to want to be there once I finally hit, like, a spot where I knew that, like, nothing was going to change. So, I'm going because in my heart, I know that this is what I want to do. This is what I need to do. And whether it be for 4 months or however long this may end up lasting, I know that this isn't going to be where I'm going to be forever, and it's not where I want to be forever. I have a whole life plan and goals and a timeline, and I'm working towards that to get there. But in the meantime, I have hiccups and things that I have to do and process and whatever else the case may be. And it's just very frustrating when people who are supposed to be my friends can't even be there and support me. They have to try to put doubts in my head and try to make me think like this isn't what I should be doing. This is my decision. This is my life. And if you're a true friend, you would just be supportive no matter what. And so it really sucks and it really hurts. And it just kind of frustrates me. Because, like, would I ever want my friends just to move away? No, of course not. But if, like, that's what they had to do, I would understand it. I'm not going to be gone forever. I'm not going to not come visit. Like, I don't get it. Rant over. That bathroom was gross. I've seen worse, but it was not good. There were lots of flies, and I hate air dryers. I would much prefer paper towels. And I also hate doors that when you leave them, you have to grab something, because that defeats the whole purpose. I just washed my hands. We're getting gas. I saw these. I had to get these. I wasn't going to get anything in there, but then I really wanted them. I still have my Fritos left, but these looked fire. And also gummy bears, because I like chocolate, but I also just like normal fruity sweet stuff too. So we've got that. Still got water. This energy drink is about half gone. I have another energy drink and another energy shot. As soon as this gas is done filling up, I'll be able to hit the road again. But I'm guessing, just like always, I'm gonna have to stop and go pee again before I get there. Alright, done with gas. I will check back in a little bit. Okay. I've done some driving in Chicago. It's been a year or two or something, I don't know. I would so much rather be driving in Chicago right now than where I'm currently at, because literally, like, I was on a straight shot on the highway for like 100 plus miles. Everything was fine. Now I'm like literally being thrown exit to exit like every 5 miles, and we're in stop and go traffic twice. and everyone's cutting in and out because like there's an exit and then an on-ramp, and like I'm having an anxiety attack, and I'm gonna have to take another fucking exit, another 5 miles. Oh, I hate this so much. And literally, like, people be like trying to get onto the highway, which I get it. Everyone's traveling at the same time. I'm not mad about that. What I'm mad about is everyone's trying to cut in and out. Like, bro, please. I'm legit gonna die. I still have 2 hours and 45 fucking minutes. Oh god, oh god. I can't do this. I'm getting too anxious. I'm just glad I don't have to pee during this traffic, but knowing my luck, I'm gonna jinx myself. However, I've had so much fucking caffeine, my heart's probably gonna explode right about now. And, yeah, once we get back on a straight shot, we'll check in, but otherwise, like, I'm legit gonna die. Fuck. And I'm supposed to be clear over in the far left lane, because that's where my exit's gonna be. Fuck me. God damn it. Alright, I definitely gotta stop. Oh, and the speed limit went up. Perfect. And there's like a million fucking cars. Great. Alright. Okay, cool.